That's funny. Look, baby, look at all your presents. Yeah, which one? You got a bike. Santa brought you a bike. Yeah. What else is there? Look in your stocking. Stocking? Look. What is it? What did you get? A ball? You say ball? Oh, yay! Yeah? What color is it? Red? What else is in your stocking? Look, there's an ice cream truck and a tow truck.
Okay.
Wow. Look at all this candy Santa brought you. Wowee.
Okay.
Yeah, Nerd's your favorite. Can't decide which one, huh? Make sure you get 2 hands worth of Nerd. Pink and purple. Yay! Look at Mommy. Blake, what'd you find? Nerds? What else? Yay for Christmas! Baby. Oh, my kid is so easy to please. Nerds for everybody. Baby, do you want to open a present maybe? Look at this. Who is that? Oh, it's a Buzz Lightyear. Oh, love him. To infinity and beyond. Mwah. I think Buzz wants to sit with you and check out your presents. No, he doesn't? Oh, bye, Buzz. You want him to sit back up? Yeah, sit up, Buzz. Sit up straight, buddy. There you go. Yay! Blake, who came? Santa? Yeah, where? Oh, there he is. You see, Santa! Santa! Yay! Mommy loves you. Say bye-bye. We'll see you later.